Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this AI Korean comic or Webtoon filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on this search button and try to search for AI comic filter. But sometimes it's difficult to find because these filters are coming and going. So what you can do, go to your For You page and search for AI Korean comic filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use this. Okay, likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, let's try this. To try, just go to 60 seconds. Okay, I'm in 10 minutes, no problem. Just you have to tap on the screen and wait for the countdown 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and wait for it to process. Okay, and you are done. It's that simple. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.